Are you rubbing lotion?
Use what's on your fingers. You got lots on your hands.
Oh, cold. Cold. Put some on the other leg, Daniel.
You do this leg?
Cold. Are you getting Mom with cold lotion? But Daniel, do you love Mommy? You do because you're taking care of her.
Yeah, he's taking good care of Mommy. You taking care of Mommy?
I want that one.
You want that one? This one is for your bottom. And I don't think you need that. Okay, that's all. It's kind
That's
of
a lot.
No.
Ew.